The key benefits of attending these workshops is that they provide tools and a perspective on trying to understand some of the key issues businesses need to address to do well in those markets. They also provide a platform for businesses to interact and to share experiences. And I think this is what brings the workshops to life, but also what creates the real learning.
So we have a range of topics that we are offering. As I said, we have these country-specific workshops, how to do business in China, South Korea and Japan, that has a country focus. But we also have workshops on business partnerships. We have one workshop on digital Asia. The benefits for our export community is really that there is an opportunity to not just get some insights about latest trends, but also to exchange experiences.
This is actually my second time that I've come to North Asia Cape. It's fantastic going a second time because I'm starting to understand a pattern. I really like that this information is distilled down. They give us a lot of good key insights that I didn't think about.
Like with all international business, what works in one country doesn't necessarily work in another, and it just highlighted the importance of understanding each country for what it has to offer.
Happy to be here to have a lot of interactive sections with the facilitators as well as the other participants, looking at how people see things in China, in the Chinese market, and putting things into perspectives.
I do need to understand how to connect culturally with Asia, with China, with South Korea, and that there's differences in values, priorities and focuses that I need to address. All size businesses should come along to this to just get better understanding of their global sense of self and to understand how they can better integrate with different countries with their products.